Ready? On the buzzer. Let's go. Okay. Taking the heat.
10 points! Ah! 10 points!
Next naman ng ball.
Ah! 20 points! Ah! 25 points!
4 seconds. Ngayon naman, napakainin ka eh. Money ball. Eh, saan ito? Money. Usapan pa yan eh. Money ball, let's go. Money ball, take it. Take the money ball. Just watch.
Perfect!
20 seconds. Let's go. There you go. Yun pala ang hotspot niya. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pasok lahat sa basket, di ba? Kita-kita, di ba?
Tinapon mo na lang.
Dunk contest kasi ako eh. Dunk contest kasi ako eh.
Aray ko!